Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to our channel. So here we are back to our townhouse property. So you can see the trailer is out here and we are renovating entire space. Actually we have a tenant staying in this home for about 9 years and we are kind of ripping off everything now. As you can see, everything is taken out, all the carpets, all the appliances, and we're getting everything brand new. So I'm going to give you a visit, like the work is underway, the renovation is on the way, and we're just trying to, I would like to show you how it looks like from inside. So let's go inside. Okay, you can see here all the staircase. Yeah, we ripped up everything and our contractor is working right now. Okay, here we are. Okay, do we have lights here or no?
You have.
Oh, okay. I'm just taking some video. So, okay. All right, this is Manjit Paji. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's going upstairs. So that was the kind of a lower space where we have we're trying to finish them nicely. Here we are in the living room. This is we call like a middle level. As you can see, everything is ripped off completely, and you can see the ceiling here. There was a water leak, so we just took a whole section out, and now we kind of putting the new ceiling there as well. Okay, we took all the carpet out, paddings out, and all the work is in progress. Let's go into the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen now. You can see all the appliances has been gone. We ordered brand new appliances. We'll be having all this cabinet going to be replaced, and we'll have a new paint as well over here. So you can see this is all dirty. You can see here everything is pretty dirty. So we had a tenant here for 9 years, so you can imagine how much work we need to do here. Okay, let's move on. This is our half bathroom. We kind of taking off completely bathroom and kind of doing renovation for entire bathroom. You can see all the wood seat, the base, everything gonna go out and gonna be brand new. All right, let's go. So you can see the living room here. Let's go to the upper level. Here we are. We just took all the carpet and padding out. It was like about 15-year-old carpet and padding, so pretty bad. Everything was pretty bad. Okay, I'm upstairs here. All the bedrooms here. You can see. Let's go to the one by one. Here we are. Yeah, you can see. Some big work is happening here. Somehow this sheetrock was broken and the new paint is in progress. Lighting, everything going to be replaced. Okay, second bedroom, same thing. Yeah, they have started some paint job and pretty soon we'll have a vinyl flooring. They're gonna start as well. Yeah, in fact, we already ordered the vinyl flooring, something nicely, so we can fit everything here. Let me see. This is a middle bathroom. If I have lights, I can turn on. No, we don't have lights, sorry. The work is in progress. As you can see, all the floor has been taken out and the paint is in progress. There is the closet. And we entering to the master bedroom. Okay, so you can see the fans over here is pretty hot today, about 92 degrees. This is the closet. You can see some new paint job is going on right now. So pretty much we are renovating the entire place since we have a tenant here for 9 years, and now you can see we need to redo the entire house. Yeah, the rent's gone up pretty high in this area, so we're gonna be renting this place for about $2,800 per month. So hopefully we're gonna recover all our investment here. Also, the property appreciation happened pretty hefty over here, so I think we're gonna be okay over here. All right, so you can see the new paint, the new flooring, the new kitchen, everything is gonna be new in this house. And hopefully I'm gonna make another video for you once we will complete the renovation for the entire house here. Thank you.